Hello everyone, today we will see tutorial number 12. Go to CATIA, start, mechanical design, part design, give the name as tutorial 12, click on OK, select sketch, go to EaserExplain, select circle in the profile toolbar by double clicking on it and draw two concentric circles. Now give the dimension by using constraint tool in the constraint toolbar. So I have drawn these two circles. These two circles are having diameter 25 and 50. So the inner circle is given diameter 25 and the outer circle is giving 50 as diameter. Exit workbench. Now select pad and give the pad as 23 since it is having a thickness of 46. Select mirror extend and click on preview and OK. Now again select EaserExplain, go to sketch, select the outer edge of this pad and select project 3D elements from the operations toolbar to project that edge onto the sketch. Now select profile tool, and draw your sketch. So this line must be a vertical line, so select this line, right click on that line, go to line 3 object and select the line as vertical. So we have drawn this. It must be having a distance of 110 minus 40, that will be 70 from this. Origin point. The thickness of this is going to be 50. Now select quick trim and trim this upper half of the projected circle. Exit workbench, go to pad. So this is having a pad definition of 18 thickness. So give the thickness as 18. Click on preview. OK. Now again select EaserExplain, go to sketch, now we will draw this part. For that again go to project 3D elements and project this circle and then this edge. Now select profile tool from the profile toolbar, draw your sketch like this. Give the dimension of this. So this is going to be 85 minus 30, so it will be 55 from the origin point. The thickness of this is going to be 36 and now from the horizontal to one edge I am going to give the distance as 18. Now select your quick trim option and trim the unwanted edges. Exit workbench, select pad tool. The thickness of this is going to be 18, so it will be 9. Over here select mirror extend and click on preview. OK. Now again go to User Explain, select the sketch tool, now draw two circles again aligned with the vertical axis. Now give the dimension of those two circles. So those two circles are having a diameter of 32 and 56, and those are all at a distance of 110 from the center point. So this is going to be 110. So this will be 56 and 32. And 32. Click on OK. Exit workbench. Select pad again. So this would be 70 mm in length. So it will be 35. Select mirror extend. So it will be 70. Click on preview. OK. Now again select User Explain. Go to sketch. Select circle. Draw two circles. Over here I have drawn the circle not concentric to each other, so I have to make these two circles concentric to each other. So select those two circles and go to constraint defined in a dialog box. Select concentricity and click on OK. Now those two circles are concentric to each other, and now we have to give the dimension of those two circles as 36 and 15 and 85 from the center. So it will be 85 and 36 and 15. Now exit workbench, select pad tool. So this must be having a pad of 24. Mirror extend, click on OK. Now again select User Explain, go to sketch, select project 3D elements and project these two edges. Select line tool from the profile toolbar and draw line like this. Now select quick trim and trim out the unwanted edge. Exit workbench. So now we have to give the pad definition for this sketch. Go to pad, give the thickness as 31 and mirror extend. So it is going to be 62. Okay, now again select Bezier X-Plane, go to sketch, select these two edges and select project 3D elements. Now draw, now select line tool from the profile toolbar and draw two lines. Those two lines must be tangential to the projected edge of this circle. Now select quick trim and quick trim the outer edge. Exit workbench. Now we have to pad this. The pad must be 12 plus 9 and then mirror extend. So it will be 21. It will be 21 and mirror extend. Click on OK. Okay. Now select this face. Go to sketch. Fit in all. Select center rectangle from the profile toolbar and draw a center rectangle. Now I am going to project the outer edge of this circle using project 3D elements from the operation toolbar and make that projection as a construction element. So select this edge which is projected and go to sketch tools, select construction element or standard element. It will be converted into a construction element. Now select this line and then this point. Go to constraint defined in a dialog box, give coincident, click on OK. Now we have to give the thickness of this. It would be, so they haven't given the thickness, so they have given only the distance of this line from the edge as 18. So I am going to give the distance as 18. Now exit workbench, select pad tool and change the first limit as up to last and click on more and change the second limit type as up to last. Now click on preview. OK. Now select this face, go to sketch, fit in all. Now again select center rectangle and draw a center rectangle. So and select one of the circle's edge and project it and change the projection into construction element. Now select this point and then this line. Those two must be in coincident. And the thickness over here is given as 18. So this would be 18. Exit workbench. Now select pocket tool. So the first limit of the pocket is up to last. It is already selected. So click on more and change the type of the second limit also to up to last. Click on preview. OK. So now we have the complete model.